Okay, hello, it's Lucas, and I'm going to show you some link building techniques you can use. So it's a brand tracking and repointing domains from social media profiles. Let's take some company like, for example, I don't know, Carphone Warehouse. Carphone Warehouse. It is quite non-generic keyword. It's not like booking.com or cheap holidays. So we know that whenever Carphone Warehouse appear online, that's probably people are talking about Carphone Warehouse. Carphone Warehouse have the domain carphonewarehouse.com, and we will create a new project here, and we will type Carphone Warehouse in carphonewarehouse.com. What you see right now is Brand24, one of my favorite tools to track brandings. And you can see this here. We can define sources. We don't know really Facebook, Twitter mentions, Instagram, and videos, because that's our pretty much social media, and we know that even if there are some mentions, we will not be able to convert them into links, and especially into do follow links. We need do follow links. So we have forums, news, web, and blogs. We save this, and during that time Brand24 is preparing mentions, is gathering mentions, and I will try to prepare my project during that time in another software which is called Link Assistant. So we are going here, new projects, check how exactly is this domain. So okay, we know HTTPS, obviously, carphonewarehouse.com, that will be our domain, and I have project ready. Right now I need to go back to my Brand24, and what I can see here, take a look. We have 155 mentioned in last 30 days. This is what so far the Brand24 have been able to find. Brand24 is still working. There may be more mentions, and remember that more time this project is running, more mentions will be aggregated. I have my personal brand project running still till 2014, and I was working back in the day in news, which I still have this project. It's running still till 2013. So data export, download, export, and we can straight away see all these websites that are mentioned, Carphone Warehouse. So we go in here and we see source here. What we can do right now, we can add this to our link assistant, which will be working as our link tracker. We can tag these links as Brand24. To duplicated, finish, and we have these links loaded. We obviously don't know if some of these mentions aren't already links, or maybe some of these mentions are links which are no follow. It will be quite difficult to convince people who own that website to change this to do follow, so that these links need to be excluded. So I'm highlighting everything and I'm doing verify, and that will take a moment. Take a look how fast it is. 585 links right now we have loaded, so that's plenty, and it will take additional few seconds to make this ready. So I will not be going anywhere else, not to distract. It's taking, it's almost done, 98% somehow. Here are some slow websites, and that's always taking a little long time to go through this last few bits. I will just skip these 4 websites, and that is done. And right now what we need to do, we need to add these columns which are showing what is the verification. And take a look what we have here. Such an opportunity. No link is missing, but some of them are already linking. So out of 500, this one been not checked, I'm removing this for out of 581 domains or pages, not domains, we already know that some of this mention been linked, and we can see here that they are linked, and we can see here what is the URL that been linked. We also can see what is the anchor text. I will exclude email. We will not be prospecting in this video, just to make a little more space. And now take a look. I'm highlighting this. We already know that these links exist. I'm highlighting no follow tags, and I'm highlighting restricted, and I'm highlighting page not found. Page not found, that means that page doesn't exist anymore. So remove it. removed, and now we have all the potential domains that are or pages that can be used for link building. So take a look. I'm going to expand this. We will not be using blog posts because blog posts sometimes is tricky, but what we have here, we have, let's say, some other websites, like for example this one. Let's see this one. Mobile news something. Dixon Carphone's house profit slump 22 BC in 2019. And where we have car phone warehouse. Voila! That could be a link. So what I would do, I would just copy this, go to contact, it should be somewhere here. You see? Here is an email, and send email saying like, thank you very much that you mentioned us. I would like to say thank you. By the way, any chance that this mention could be a link. And then we're going to another one. Let's say Tech Radar. Who doesn't know Tech Radar? Everyone knows Tech Radar. And you're going to Tech Radar and you're looking for car phone. Actually, here is a different story. They are using some affiliates, so this is a different thing, but you can see how sensitive is Brand24. Even this affiliate links being cached. Here is S3 software. Let's see, because I don't have much time, I need to finish. Car phone, take a look. They are linking to some of the websites, but not to car phone. So that would be a very good idea to contact them and say like, again, like, hey, thank you very much, but any chance you can link to us. And this is pretty much it. Right now here is 464 prospects, plenty of, even if we'll exclude blog posts, that should be also enough to spend a couple of long evenings with a cup of coffee and sending some emails. So thank you very much. And if you have any questions, write down, and if you can share this video just to make sure that more people know about this, I will be very, very grateful. And if you want to link to my website, seo.london, I will be also very grateful. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.